Um, 6 weeks ago, had upper and lower eyelid surgery done by Dr. De Silva. Prior to that, I obviously did a lot of research online, as probably most people do, to find a surgeon I was happy with. Very pleased that I found Dr. De Silva. He and his assistants helped to make me feel more at ease about the surgery, which obviously I was quite worried about, even though I wanted it done. It's a very the anxiety was quite high, particularly on the morning of the operation. But Dr. De Silva helped to put me at ease, and with the anaesthesia, the twilight anaesthesia, which I was slightly concerned about, because obviously having an operation done on my eyes, I was a bit obviously concerned that I would be able to actually see what was going on, and this was obviously a worry. It's probably more so than if I was being operated on a different part of the body where I could just close my eyes. I would 100% have the twilight anaesthesia again if the opportunity came up, and to have that instead of a general anaesthetic. It was, for me, a very good experience. I felt extremely good. I was asleep for basically 99% of what Dr. De Silva was doing. I woke up for about 1%, and I'm glad I did, because I felt really, really good. No pain whatsoever. I would recommend it to anybody that's considering it. Yes, you will be afraid, and you will be a bit scared, because I certainly was, but I had it done, and I would definitely have it done again. So, although you are going to be worried, you needn't be. I have actually had my upper and lower eyelids done. Read all the notes, and I was expecting to be in some sort of pain and discomfort. I've had actually no pain whatsoever. Slight discomfort obviously during the first week before the stitches were taken out. Just it felt more like dry eyes than anything else. I can assure you I looked an awful lot worse than I felt. So probably like me, if you're doing research, you look at people, you'll be looking at people that had the operation done, and during the first few days after the op, they do look pretty horrendous, but what you actually feel is nothing like what you actually look like. Bruising can last about I think the bruising lasted about 3 weeks for me. I had the stitches out obviously after 1 week. My eyes were still a bit red then, but I was able to go out. I had sunglasses on, but I went out. Socially, if you don't want people to know what you had done, then I would say stay in for a couple of weeks. After that, people would really have to look. If they knew you well, they may ask you, if you had anything done 6 weeks down the line. People just say to me now, Johnny, you look really great, you look well. They don't actually ask me if I had anything done, or query if I had anything done, which is quite nice really. That's really the effect I wanted. I didn't want it to be so that people looked at me and said, oh, you've had your eyes done. Yeah, people just say, John, you look well. I'm still recovering. It's going to be recovering obviously for many more weeks, running into months. We know that. I look different in the mirror each day at the moment, but in a good way. And yeah, overall, very pleased I had it done, and I'm very pleased I came to Dr. De Silva. He and his assistants have been really great with me, made me very comfortable, put me at ease, and overall, highly recommend it. Come and see him.